In this video, we're going to talk about how to read a CSV file in Python using Jupyter notebooks.
Alright, let's begin. I have a new Jupyter notebook open, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import NumPy as NP and import pandas as PD. This way we get the libraries installed. Next step is to find the data. I googled some sample CSV data and there's plenty of available options here. I think we can go with real estate transaction data. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link to the CSV. And what we're going to do is we're going to write URL equals, and we're going to paste the URL into these single quotation marks. The next step is going to be to put pd.read underscore CSV, and then in parentheses we'll put URL. And when we run this code, it actually gives us the entire spreadsheet or the CSV file. Alright, so now we're going to type in URL underscore read and make that equal to pd.read underscore CSV URL in parentheses. We're going to go ahead and run that. And now what we could do is say URL underscore read dot head, which is basically the header. It's going to, when we run this code, it will give us the top 5 rows of data along with the column headers. Another thing you can do is say URL underscore read dot tail, and what that's actually going to do is give us the bottom 5. Now the cool thing is you can also do URL underscore read dot sample, and you can actually type in the number. How many rows of data do you want? So let's say we want just 2 rows of data. When we run that code, it just gives us 2 random rows of data.
For additional content on Python and programming, if you're on LinkedIn, you can follow the #DediCatedPython, or if you're on YouTube, you can subscribe to Story by Data.